Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website imdb.com. So watch the full video. This is actually a movie rating site. The website has domain authority 95 and page authority 85 and the website age is 25 years. To add backlink in this website, firstly go to imdb.com. Then click on sign in the right side. Then click on create a new account. Then fill up everything, put your name, email address, write a strong password. Then confirm the password. Then click on create your IMDb account. Now solve this puzzle. Enter the characters that is shown above. Then click on continue. Then send a OTP in your email. So check your email, copy it and paste it here. Then click on create your IMDb account. Now click on your name, account settings, edit profile. Now here write this code. Firstly write link, then give your website URL, link, then equal, then your website URL, then give your keyword. This way you should write your code. Then click on save description. Now to see your backlink, click on your name, your activity. You can see that backlink is added here. Now if I click on the link, it will redirect to my website. This way you can add backlink in this website. The website has high DAPA, so you can add backlink in this website. It will increase your domain authority. If you need any backlink service, then knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given here. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel, so subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video. And if you need any backlink service or any service, then knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given here and you will find my WhatsApp number in my video description. So check my video description. Thanks for watching the video and please like my video.